Okay, are you able to see my screen, ma?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, anybody tell what are the steps we need to follow? What are the steps we need to follow from right from the cloning and pushing? What are the steps we have, ma?
Git clone
Hmm.
repo URL.
Okay, git clone. Second step, git add. Yeah, third one,
Git commit.
git commit,
Git push.
git push. So regularly you need to work on these commands, ma. Regularly, suppose if you want to modify, if you want to modify your code, okay, the first step is you need to clone. Second one, git add. Third one, git commit and push. So these are the four steps you need to follow. Okay, or else we have another option, ma. We have another option. See, just go to your repository. Here we are in main branch. Go to your files. Suppose I go with practice. So under practice we have edit option here. Directly edit and add files. Something, if you want to add something, you just add here. And commit changes. So before committing changes, we are passing some message, right? We are passing some message, git commit -m, and we are passing some message. So in the same way we need to pass message here. Okay, commit message, add in new content, anything, any message you can do. Okay, commit changes. This is also another way, ma. This is also another way, but in the real time we should not do like this. Okay, every time you need to clone and you need to add, you need to commit, you need to push. In the real time you need to do in that way, but we have option here also. Okay, yes. After that we have a we have a git branch, ma. See, here I used four branches. I have very very important topic, very very important topic. So by default we have main branch, so this is the default branch. Okay, suppose if you want to add, if you want to add anything in your code, if you want to modify your code, regularly you need to create your branch, ma. Regularly you need to create your branch. Okay, then you need to work on that branch. Okay, after that you need to follow the commands, add, commit, push. Okay, so that is your dedicated branch, I can say. So today we are going to discuss some of the topics, ma. I can say git branch, very very important, ma. And we have a concept called branching strategy. Okay, 100% question, ma. This is interview questions. Okay, third one, we have a concept called pull request. After that I can cover match, very very important topics, ma. Okay, so if I take interviews from my company, definitely I asked these four topics, ma. Okay, so what are the commands we have, what are the commands we have in the git regarding branch? So we have majorly three commands, ma. Git checkout -b git checkout -b branch name. So what it does, it will create the new branch and switch to the new branch. That means it will create new branch and then it will switch to new branch. This is the command we have. And second one is git checkout branch name. What it does, it just switch from one branch to another branch. To switch from one branch to another branch. Okay. And then third one is we have a command called git branch. Okay. If we want to see the list of branches, we use git branch to see the list of branches. Okay. So majorly we use these three commands. These three commands. So before branching concept, I wanted to explain git pull and fetch. Git pull and fetch. So anybody knows what about git pull and git fetch? Anybody knows, ma? Fetch is nothing but collecting the remote changes to local. Okay. So what is pull? Pull is nothing but collecting the remote changes to local and merge with our branch. Okay. So how exactly this fetch and pull will work? Fetch is nothing but just collecting the changes, ma. Just collect the changes. What about pull? Pull is nothing but it will collect the changes along with it will merge our changes. Whatever changes in the remote, it will merge into our branch. Okay. So pull I can say fetch plus merge. Okay. So this is both combination, ma. So okay, for example, so in our team, any person development team under main branch, so they have modified something. For example, I am in practice. Okay, just edit DevOps practice Java sessions. Just this is the message I have passed. Commit. Okay, so one of the developer has updated main branch. Okay, understand, one of the developer updated main branch. Okay, so these changes I don't have in my local, right? I don't have in my local. Okay. Okay, now I wanted to fetch. That means these changes I wanted to fetch from remote to local. What is the command? Git fetch. Enter. Okay, so it has fetched successfully, but I don't see any changes. Let's check ls. Okay, see, I don't have I don't have practice. I don't have practice file here. See, just it will fetch. That's it. That means what are the changes happened in the remote repository, it will fetch to local system. Okay, but it will not merge with our branch. If we enter git merge, See, it is trying to merge those changes with our branch. Escape colon W exclamatory. See, it has successfully merged. Merged is nothing but combined in the changes. Merge is nothing but combined in the changes. Merge is nothing but combined in the changes. Okay, so this is how fetch will work, ma. This is how fetch will work. Okay, fetch is nothing but just it will collect the changes, but it will not merge into our branch. If we enter pull, it will directly fetch, it will merge. Okay, just one command. Regularly we use pull command, ma. Regularly we use pull command. We are not using any fetch command. Okay, fetch is fetch is not merging changes to our branches. Okay, it will fetch, whereas pull is it will fetch and it will merge. For example, so I am in remote repository, edit, DevOps training. So simple message I have given, commit changes. Now I am in local, right? Now git, you can check ls git practice, sorry, vam practice. Just check. See, that message is not here. Now I am going to pull those changes. Git pull, simple command. That means it will fetch and it will merge. So escape colon w exclamatory. See, successfully it has pulled. I wanted to see the changes. ls vam practice. See, that message came here. That means we have successfully pulled our changes. Successfully pulled our changes. So this is how pull and fetch work, ma. Any doubt here, guys? Very simple. Any doubt here? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So coming to the branching part. Okay. So we have, okay, I am going to delete all branches, ma, for more understanding. Okay. 4 branches I have. I am going to delete all branches. Refresh. Good. I have only one branch. I have only one branch. See, this is also I have successfully deleted, right? I wanted to check in my local. Escape colon q exclamatory. I wanted to check local. Suppose I given a command called git branch to see the list of branches, right? Git branch. Okay, so as of now I have only main branch. That means we have deleted, right? Git pull. Let's check. Already up to date. Already up to date. That means we have only one branch, ma. See, if we enter git branch command, it shows only one branch, that is main branch. The star indicating current branch. Okay, so we are in main branch. I wanted to create new branch. What is the command, ma? I wanted to just create new branch.
Git checkout
Hmm.
-b branch.
Very good. So it will create new branch and it will switch to new branch. Okay, let's try. Git checkout -b branch name test. My branch name is test. Enter. See, it has created branch and switched to test branch. Okay, If you want to check the list of branches, git branch. See, we have two branches. Main is the default one and test is the new one. So we are in the test branch. Star is indicating current branch, current working branch. Okay, so we have a command git checkout -b. Okay, that is creating new branch and switch into new branch. Very good. Okay, so we are in test branch, right? I wanted to switch to main branch. What is the command, ma?
Git checkout.
Very good. See, to switch from one branch to another branch, we use git checkout. Okay, just go here, git checkout. Okay, we wanted to switch from test to main branch. Give main. See, we have successfully switched to main branch. Okay, so these are the branch commands, ma. So in another way we can create the branch. Just go here, just go here. We are under repository. Very good. Under repository, see, so I just created branches, right? See, I have only one because in our local just created, we are not pushing anything here. See, use git push to publish your local commits. It is asked into push. Okay, so until unless we push those changes, it will not reflect here. Okay, just it is local, this is remote. I wanted to create one more branch. Okay, just go here, branch, new branch. Here we have a option, ma. So instead of creating branches in the command line interface, we can create directly in the console itself, ma. Okay, new branch. Suppose I am going to create DevOps. This is my branch. Okay, create branch. See, we have successfully created DevOps branch. But this DevOps branch is not available in my local. So what is the command, ma, to collect our changes?
Git pull.
Very good, very good. So this is remote, right? So remote changes I wanted to clone to my local. We use git pull command. Okay, git pull. Now I am going to switch git pull. See, the message is indicating new branch DevOps. Okay, after this, after pulling, already up to date. Okay, now I wanted to switch to DevOps branch. What is the command, ma? Git,
Git push origin.
sorry, I wanted to switch.
Okay, git checkout.
Git checkout
Branch
DevOps.
name.
Very good. Yes, see, DevOps. We have successfully pushed, successfully changed. Okay, that means this is how we work. We work regularly, ma. Okay, very simple. Just we use three commands. Just we use three commands to perform our activities, ma. Very very important. Very very important. Okay. So, but in the real time, in the real time, we use these branch names like some format, ma. So some format I can say in the branching strategy we use different stages, ma. Okay. In the branching strategy, so suppose we have a development, we have release, I can say branch, development branch, and I can say bug fix branch. Okay, so for example, in our company, if we are maintaining some branching strategy, okay, suppose I have three different kinds of branches: development branch, release branch, bug fix branch. Okay, so what is the use case of development branch, which is used by the development team? That means dev team will develop the code under development branch. Okay, so this branch is dedicated to development branch sorry, a development team. That means developers, they use this branch to develop their code. Okay, that means regularly they work on this branch only, development branch. Okay, and then we have release branch. Okay, what is the release branch? It will release the code to the end user that means release the code release the code to the end user, I can say customers. Okay, so this is the release branch. We maintain our original source code. We maintain our original source code under release branch. Okay, and then bug fix branch. So what is the use case of this branch? So we used to fix the issues in the code if customer having troubles. Or issues. Okay, so majorly development team will work on this development branch in order to add additional functionality for the particular application. Okay, so after this, once everything is working under development branch, it will switch to release branch. Under release branch, we maintain our original source code. That means we do not change any modifications under release branch. Okay, once it is released to customer, if there is any bug in our code, then we create bug fix branch and we'll work on this. Okay, so this is how we follow the process. Okay, suppose the naming conversions is something different in the real time. Suppose we are under development branch, they use like something different. Suppose we are working on Amazon project. Okay, they create branch like Amazon development, right? Develop, and they mention some particular version. Suppose they are going to release 1.0. Yes, this is a version, and they use some date in this date they have released. Okay, suppose I given like this. I tell you some another team Amazon dev, they released 1.1 version and particular date, suppose 15/08/24. Okay, so this is how they maintain branch in this is how, that means everyone can recognize. So what happened? Oh, this is the date, development team. Okay, so they have released 1.0. We can easily identify the, if any issues happens, we can easily identify. Okay, in particular in which date it has released and which version. Okay, who has done, development team. Everything we can track through branch the branch should be recognized from everyone. Okay, it should be very simple, and it should be useful to everyone. Like that they will create okay, suppose this branch is used by developer. as a devops engineer as a devops engineer, we should understand, okay, so development is working, this is still under development branch, and this is the version they have released. Okay, and this is the date they have released. So like that. Okay, and then come to the release branch. They maintain in some different way just I can copy paste. Okay, so here just they put release release. Okay, some date you just modify 20, it has released 20 and it has released 25. Understand? So this is the release branch naming conversions ma. Okay, don't by heart, just I am saying how regularly different teams maintain different branch in naming conversions. Okay, so this is the release branch. Under release branch they will create the branch like this one ma. Okay, and come to the bug fix branch, third one, bug fix branch. So under bug fix branch they will create like Amazon example bug fix. They do as, so what is the version 00? Suppose in this particular version they had a bug, that means they create in this way 101. Okay, and they give some date ma, 03 09 24, something like this. Okay, and then Amazon, it's not bit not but fix. Okay, suppose 102, any naming conversion. Okay, 10 09 24. Okay, so this is how they maintain branch in names ma. Suppose I am a developer, I am going to create one branch. This is the one, new branch. This is my branch. Okay, create new branch. See, I just created one branch. So this is Amazon dev 1.0. This is the date. That means if any other person came, they can easily identify. Okay, so Amazon project development team, it's under 1.0 version. This is the date they are going to release. Okay, so like this ma. So after this branch they modify regularly, they modify the things and they commit their changes. So this is how we need to work regularly. Understand guys? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Any doubt ma?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Very
No.
good. Okay. Okay. So can anybody tell uh, what is branch ma? Why we need branch? Anybody tell why we need to create branches rather than using default branch? Anybody tell? Okay. Okay, ma. So we have a concept called branching strategy here, right? So in the interview, if my interviewer asked, so how do you maintain branching strategy in your organization? Okay, if interviewer asked, you have to answer like, just go through this record ma after this session and make a note. Very 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 important. Okay, so how do you maintain branching strategy? Then you have to explain like, in my project in my project in my project we are maintaining git as a version control system. Under git we are maintaining three different branches: development branch, release branch, and bug fix branch. Okay, under development branch, when my developer is required to add any new functionality into existing application, then my developer create new branch called development branch. Here the total development will happen ma. Okay, so once the development is completed, then then that code will be built and deployed into different servers. If the code is tested, if there is no bug in the code, then it will go for the release branch. Okay, if there is no bug in the code, it will go to release branch. Under the release branch, we are maintaining original source code. Original source code. Here we never do any modifications under release branch. We never do any modification in the release branch. If any modifications are required in our code, or if my customer facing any issues, then we create a branch called bugfix branch. Okay, then the functionality of bugfix branch is the code whatever developed by the developers is already released, so on so month back, but customer is encountering issues. That time developers again create a branch called bugfix branch, and they will fix the bugs. Okay, they will fix the issues. once they have fixed Once they have fixed under bugfix branch, again it will go to release branch. That means the latest patches we release to customers. So this is how we are maintaining branching strategy. Like this you have to explain, ma. Very important question, compulsory. In every interview they will ask branching strategy. Okay, so you have to explain like this. Please make a note. Okay, understand, guys? Okay, so just make a note, ma, this one. Development branch, release branch, under this branching details, branching strategy. So up to here, just make a note. Once it is done, let me know. Do fast. I am going to mute. Do it fast, ma. Do it fast. Once it is done, let me know. హలో, బాగున్నామా నువ్వు? చెప్పు, ఏం మార్నింగ్ కాల్ చేయమన్నావు? ఆహా, అవునా? 8:30 లోపల చేయమంటే ఓకే ఓకే. నేను మీటింగ్లో అంటే ఇప్పుడు టీం రాసుకుంటున్నారు, అందుకు నేను ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుతున్నా. ఎట్లుంది హెల్త్? ఓకే ఓకే, వచ్చినావు హాస్పిటల్కి? ఇప్పుడేం లేదా పెయిన్? ఓకే, సరే అమ్మా, జాగ్రత్త. మళ్ళీ నాకు మెసేజ్ చేయి, ఫోన్ చేస్తాం. సరేనా? బాయ్, టేక్ కేర్.
ఫేస్ లో ఈ సర్ప్రైజ్ చూడడానికి ఈ ఎంఎంఎస్ ఇచ్చారు. డైరెక్ట్ గా వచ్చి హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చెప్తే థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తావు, బట్ ఇది ఒక మెమరీ అవ్వాలి.
Is it done, ma?
Sir, done, sir.
Okay, everyone. Everyone.
We unable to hear you.
Okay. So sorry, ma. So everybody done?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So the next concept is pull request and merge, ma. Very important, ma. Regularly, so I cover in our course what exactly you do. Okay, if you join in any company, what is your role and responsibilities? Okay, those topics I will discuss, ma. Mostly I will cover those topics because the candidate should be manage the things. Okay, suppose if the candidate join with experience, okay, he has to manage, ma. Okay, so like this I will cover all the topics. Okay, in that point of view, I teach, ma. Okay, so what is pull request and merge? What is pull request and merge? Okay, regularly you need to work on this concept, ma. Pull request, merge regularly, day to day activities, ma. As a DevOps engineer, your day to day activities should be pull request and merge. So what is pull request and what is merge? Anybody knows what is pull request and what is merge? Anybody has any idea? We have some of the candidates, ma, in our training. They are actually worked on DevOps. So that's the reason I am asking. Anybody knows any idea?
Yes, sir. Pull request is our changes will be review the reviewer. For that purpose, we are using pull request.
Very good. Any other person?
And we will go through the merge. Merge is
Very good.
merge conflict.
Okay. Hmm. So before explaining pull request, I am going to show one scenario, ma. Just go to your repository, November. Okay. So this is the developer, right? This is the developer has created one branch. Okay. So this is the branch. and he has worked on this code, and they have modified some changes. Go to practice, added Java syntax, I can say fix Java syntax. So this is the message they have passed, commit changes. Understand? Okay. So this is developer branch. My developer added some changes in my code. My developer added some changes in my code. Okay. Okay. Now go here. See, developer has pushed 17 seconds ago. That means developer has changed my code under Amazon Dev this branch. Okay. So once this code is working fine, once my developer is tested, if it is working fine, then he has to merge with my main branch. Regularly regularly you need to merge. Merge is nothing but combined in the changes from my branch to master branch. Here we have a master branch called main branch, right? So developer has tested their code. If it is working fine, then he wanted to merge the changes to main branch. Okay. So in that way we need to compare and pull request. So this is the option we have. See, open pull request. Pull request is nothing but when my developer wanted to merge, combine their changes from their branch to master branch, main branch. Okay, so this is their branch and this is the default branch. See, it is comparing both branches, and it is trying to merge from this branch to this branch. Go here, create pull request. Okay, so once my developer created pull request, then he will add reviewer here. Suppose my developer add Sai here, Sai as a reviewer. That means Sai has to review my code. That means whatever the changes which is developed by the developer under this branch, the developer writes pull request to combine their changes to master branch. Okay, before merging we have a pull request. That means the reviewer has to approve, or the reviewer has to review their code and approve those changes. Okay, in the real time you will get reviewer option here. See, reviewer I don't have. This is, we are using open source free tier, right? I am not seeing to add anyone here. But in the real time, reviewer will add some comments. Okay, once the reviewer approved, then we can be able to merge. See, merge pull request, confirm merge. That means whatever the changes happen in this branch, those changes will be reflected to the main branch. See, merged successfully. Okay, just go there, check in main branch. See, 3 minutes ago we are under main branch. 3 minutes ago. Okay, you can check here also. We have a commit ID. Just click here. See, this is the changes done by the developers. Okay, see, merge pull request for from, this is the user and this is the branch name. Okay, from here to main branch they have merged. Everything will be displayed here. Okay, just do practice. Very simple, very simple. So what is the purpose of pull request? Can anybody tell now? Anybody tell? Pull request, see, you have to answer like, in my project in my project, we are maintaining pull request. The purpose of pull request is every time when we wanted to merge the code from my branch to master branch, we need to take approval from the approver. I can say reviewer. Okay. Once the reviewer approved my PR, that means pull request, then only we can merge those changes from my branch to master branch. So this is the strategy we are maintaining in my current project. So this is how you need to explain, ma. Very, very important. So in the interview, they will ask what is pull request, what is merge. Okay, pull request is nothing but when we wanted to merge my changes from my branch to master branch, we need to raise a pull request. So in the pull request, we need to add a reviewer. Okay, reviewer review my code. That means my changes has reviewed by the reviewer. Once review is done, then we can be able to merge those changes from my branch to the master branch. Okay, understand guys? What is merge, ma? Merge is nothing but combined in the changes. Merging is nothing but combining changes, or I can say integrating the changes. Okay, combined in the changes, integrating the changes. So this is what merging. Okay, so we have a concept called merge conflict. Merge conflict, very, very important. Merge conflict. So what is merge conflict here? Merge conflict. So for example, I have two branches. One is this branch. Suppose I create new branches. Three branches we have. Okay, I am going to delete this branch. I am going to recreate. Okay, successfully deleted. November. Now go to your branch, new branch. So I am going to create new branches. Here, this is the branch one. Okay, and then one more branch. This is the branch. Okay, so we have two branches, ma. That means two developers. Let's take here Guru and Sai. So we have two developers here, Guru and Sai. Okay, so the release 1.0. So it is working by Sai, right? Okay, Sai did some changes here in the practice. He has changed, like, merging concept discussion. For example, this is the change has done by the Sai. Commit changes. Okay, so Sai has successfully committed his changes, and he has raised a pull request. Go here, 4 branches. Okay, 9 minutes ago. Update practice. What happened? Okay, not committed recent. Okay, so we are under this branch 10. Practice has committed. This branch is one commit ahead of main. We are not getting any compare. Okay, just go here. Practice. Yeah, updated, right? Okay. Just this updated by the Sai. Okay. November. So we have to get here compare and pull request now, but it is not getting. Why? 10. Okay, so our site problem something. It has to come here. Okay, this branch is two commits of main branch. Okay, good. Okay, now here we have pull request, create pull request. Here we add reviewer. Okay, reviewer as Hari, create pull request. Okay, Hari has to review by Sai changes. Hari has to review Sai changes. Once Hari is reviewed, once Hari is approved, then Sai able to merge. Very good. That means Sai has merged their changes to master branch. Okay, but Guru is still under developing. Okay, so this is Guru's branch. Under Guru branch, so he has done some modifications. Go to practice, edit, release the product. So this is the message added. This is the changes done by the Guru. But Guru doesn't have what are the changes that has done by the Sai, right? So then only we will get merge conflict. Okay, now Sai has already merged his changes, but Guru has to merge their changes. Let's try. Compare and pull request. Now he will get merge conflict because he doesn't have the latest changes which is combined by the Sai. Okay, so that's the reason. See, this branch has conflicts that must be resolved regularly. You have to know how to resolve conflict. Okay, so why conflict came here? Guru doesn't have the latest changes from the master. Okay, the latest changes, how it has happened? Because of Sai. Sai has worked on some different branch and Sai has developed something and he has merged with master. But those master changes Guru doesn't have, right? So in that case we got merge conflict. So how to resolve merge conflict? Resolve conflict. Resolve conflict. See, you have to compare your code from your branch to master branch. Okay, so in the master branch, just remove this. See, so here only we are getting issues from here to here. Okay, release the product. This is done by the, this is okay, merging concept discussion technology. You need to remove, you need to compare, and you need to keep all the information. See, now we can be able to merge, mark as resolved, commit merge. Okay, so Guru has also merged. See, now he can be able to merge. If we see here branches, you may get option successfully merged. Okay, everything is merged. I am not getting any option here. Okay, see, the latest commit under main branch is, see, so this is the developer branch and it has raised merge pull request. The pull request number is 6. See, if we click on 6, it will show main, and so from here to here they are trying to merge. What are the changes? So these are the changes we had. Okay, so this is how regularly we need to work in the real time. pull request, merging and merge conflict. Very important. Tomorrow I try to explain the same concept, pull request merging, in diagrammatic way ma. You can understand very easily. Okay. Tomorrow I will cover. After that we start new tool ma, Maven. Maven we use to build our source code. Okay. From tomorrow we start Maven after this merging concept. Very important. Do practice ma. Do practice. Any doubt here? Any doubt?